Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. In previous lesson we have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. This is exercise 11D. We have done 3 questions and these questions consist of statement and we use trigonometric ratio to solve out these questions. We use sine, cosine and tan. There are 3 trigonometric ratio we use in this question and find out answer. Today we have to start from question number 4, and first I read the statement of question number 4. The statement is, open your books page 308. Okay, now you come on statement. The statement is, at a certain time of our day, our church spire PQ, and this is the church. Okay, and the length of the church PQ is 82 meter high. This church, the height of the length of church is 82 meter. Cast a shadow RQ. This is the shadow, and the length of the shadow RQ is 62 meter long. Got it? Find angle. Here the sides are given. We find the angle. Which point we find the angle? Angle PRQ. It means we find the angle at point R. This is the central value R. That's why we find the angle at point R. It means we find this angle. Got it? This is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. And this is angle. The opposite side of angle is called opposite. And this is adjacent. After this, here the value of opposite and adjacent are given, so that we use the formula. We use the ratio of trigonometric ratio of tan, and we find out the angle at point here with this R. We find the angle at point R. Okay, now we start exercise 2D. Question number 4. Given data, opposite equal to PQ. This one equal to 82 meter. And adjacent equal to, by diagram, RQ equal to 62 meter. And we find the angle at point R. Got it? There is opposite and adjacent, so that we put the formula of tan. Angle is PRQ, opposite divide adjacent. Now we put the values. Angle PRQ, what is the value of opposite? 82 meter. And what is the value of adjacent? 62 meter. Now we will divide these values. 82 divide 62, then we get tan. Angle PRQ, we get 1.322. We find the angle. This is tan. When we shift into the other side, it will be tan inverse 1.322, so that we find tan inverse of 1.322. Tan inverse answer. Then we get angle PRQ 52.90. This is your answer. It's mean at point R, this one. At points R, it's make an angle 52.9. Got it? It is very simple and easy, just like previous question. Now you come on next question number 5. A ladder of the length 5 meter. A ladder of the length of 5 meter. The length of ladder is 5 meter. Is engaged a nail on vertical wall. A ladder lie on the vertical wall. Just like I also draw the diagram. Just like this one is the ladder. This one is the ladder. It lie against the vertical wall. The length is 5 meter. This is vertical wall. and this is on the vertical wall. The ladder is on the vertical wall. The height is 5 meter. Okay, now after this, it form an angle 60 degree with the ground, just like this one. This is ground level, and it's make an angle 60 degree with the ground level. Okay, now next, find the height of the nail above the ground. In first part, we find this height of the nail above the ground. This is nail point, and this is above the ground. We find the height of the nail above the ground. This one. First, we find the height of this. Okay. Question number 5. First part. There are two parts. First, we solve first part. Let the height of the nail above the ground be h meter. Got it? This is just like statement. Right here let, and whole statement is as it is. Let the height of the nail above the ground is h meter. बस आपने वही स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज़ लिखनी है. शुरू में लेट आ जाएगा और लास्ट में इज h मीटर आ जाएगा. Got it? Now next one is, okay, first this is angle. The opposite side of angle is called opposite, and this is 90 degree angle. The opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, we have to divide opposite and hypotenuse. That's why we use the ratio of sine. Sine, what is the angle? 60 degree angle. Opposite divide hypotenuse. Sine 60 degree angle. Okay, what is the value of opposite? We assume h meter. Let the height of the nail above the ground is h meter. We assume the length, this length is h meter, and we find out this length h meter. And what is the hypotenuse? 5 meter. After this, we find the value of sine 60 degree. Then we get 0.866 equal to h meter divide 5 meter. 5 is multiply. When we convert it to the other side, divide, it will be multiply by 5. H equal to 4.330. Now you come on next part. Next part is this one. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is the base. Okay, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base wall. We find this distance from this point. It means we find the value of adjacent. We find the value of adjacent. It means here adjacent and hypotenuse are given. Now we put the formula of cos. In the next part, adjacent and hypotenuse, value of adjacent and hypotenuse are given, so we put the formula of cos. First we write let the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall be, you take any distance, I write d meter. This statement is as it is. I'll write let the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is b meter. Okay, now we find out this value. Now we find the value of this side, so that adjacent and hypotenuse are given, so that we put the formula of cos adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos 60 we find the value for adjacent, and adjacent equal to d meter. Adjacent equal to d meter, and we find out this value d meter, and the value of hypotenuse 5 meter. Now we find the value of cos 60, then we get 0.5 equal to d meter divide 5 meter. This is divide. When we convert into the other side, it will be multiply with 0.5, and then we get answer d equal to 2.5. After this, now you come on next question. The next question is, a board is tied to a rope of the length is 12 meter. This one is board. A board is tied to the length of 12 meter, and this is the ring which is attached to a ring. This one is a ring which is attached to a ring that is 3.5 meter above the water, and this is water level, and the height of the ring is 3.5 meter above the water level. Assume the rope is taut. Find the angle of make with the water. Find the angle it make with the water. And question number 6. Okay, now we find the angle. Just like we take any angle. Here this is 90-degree angle. The opposite side of 90-degree angle is called opposite, and we find out this angle. This is angle, the opposite side, hypotenuse. The opposite side of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse, and we find this angle, and opposite side of this angle is called opposite. It means opposite and hypotenuse are given. We put the formula of we assume this is angle A. We find out this angle. We put the formula of sine, because opposite and hypotenuse are given. You also write, let the angle makes with the water a degree. This one is a degree. We assume this is a degree angle. We find out this angle. Sine a degree equal to opposite divide hypotenuse. Sine a degree equal to, what is the value of opposite? 3.5, and what is the value of hypotenuse? 12 meter. Now we find sine. Now we divide it, then we get 3.5 divide 12, then we get 0.291. Now we find the value of angle A. This sine convert into the other side, it will be reverse, sine inverse, shift sine, then we get sine inverse, so that the answer is 16.95. It's mean this one angle is equal to 16.95. Thank you. And now today 11D is completed. Now inshallah on the next topic we have to start new chapter. Thank you. If you have any query, please inbox me.